Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into data loss prevention, DLP, user notifications. This is a crucial aspect of any DLP implementation, as it's not enough to simply block or prevent data leaks. You need to educate users about the policies and help them understand why their actions triggered the DLP system. This tutorial will cover the concepts, code examples, where applicable, best practices, and considerations for designing effective DLP user notifications. Understanding the importance of DLP user notifications. DLP systems are designed to detect and prevent sensitive data from leaving your organization's control. However, just blocking data transfers without informing the user can lead to user frustration. Employees become frustrated when they don't understand why their actions are being blocked. Policy circumvention. If users don't understand the policies, they might try to find ways around the system, potentially defeating the purpose of DLP. Lost productivity. Users might waste time trying to figure out the problem or contacting IT support unnecessarily. Compliance issues. Some regulations require you to notify users about data handling policies and any violations. Missed opportunities for education. Notifications are a chance to teach users about data security best practices and reinforce proper behavior. Effective user notifications can mitigate these problems by explaining the policy, clearly stating why the user's action triggered the DLP system, providing guidance, offering specific instructions on how to correct the behavior, raising awareness, increasing users' understanding of data security risks, documenting incidents, creating an audit trail of DLP events and user awareness. 2. Key components of a good DLP user notification. A well-designed DLP user notification should include the following components. 1. Clear and concise language. Avoid technical jargon and use language that all users can easily understand. 2. Policy identification. Clearly identify the specific DLP policy that was violated. This could be a name, number, or a brief description. 3. Contextual information. Provide context about the action that triggered the notification. For example, the file name and location of the sensitive data. The application used to access the data, example Outlook, Chrome, File Explorer. The destination the user was trying to send the data to, example an external email address, a USB drive, a cloud storage service. 4. Reason for blocking / warning. Explain why the policy was triggered. For example, this file contains sensitive credit card numbers. You are attempting to share confidential project documents with an external email address. 5. Action taken. Clearly state what action the DLP system took, example blocked the email, prevented the file transfer, logged the incident. 6. Remediation guidance. Provide specific steps the user can take to resolve the issue. For example, remove the sensitive information from the file and try again. If you believe this is a legitimate business need, contact your manager or the IT help desk. Ensure the email recipient is authorized to receive this information. 7. Contact information. Provide contact information for the IT help desk or the data security team. 8. Consequences of repeated violations. Briefly mention the potential consequences of repeatedly violating the DLP policies. This should be done in a professional and non-threatening manner. 9. Incident ID/reference number. Assign a unique ID to each incident to facilitate tracking and investigation. 10. Timestamp *, the date and time of the event. 3. DLP user notification methods. There are several ways to deliver DLP user notifications, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Asterisk pop-up messages asterisk immediately notify the user when they trigger a DLP policy. These are intrusive but effective for real-time warnings. Asterisk email notifications asterisk send an email to the user explaining the DLP violation. These are less intrusive but can be easily missed. Asterisk in-app notifications asterisk display notifications within the application the user is using, example Outlook, Microsoft Teams. This is a good balance between immediacy and intrusiveness. Asterisk log files / centralized dashboard asterisk log DLP events to a central location for auditing and reporting. Users might not see these directly, but they are important for monitoring and analysis. Asterisk blocking pages / redirects asterisk when a user attempts to access a blocked resource, redirect them to a page containing information about the DLP policy violation and next steps. 4. Code examples and configuration, conceptual. While the specific code and configuration vary greatly depending on the DLP solution you are using, here's a conceptual illustration of how you might implement user notifications within a DLP system, using Python for demonstration and assuming a hypothetical DLP API. Explanation asterisk. 1 DLP system class asterisk. This is a simplified representation of a DLP system. It includes methods for analyzing data, detecting sensitive information, determining policy violations, and handling violations. 2 Analyze _data asterisk. This function takes user data and determines if the DLP system detects any sensitive information and if a policy has been violated. 3 Detect _sensitive _data asterisk. Illustrative only, this function would need to be implemented with your actual sensitivity checks. It could use regular expressions, keyword matching, data classification techniques, or integrations with other security tools. This is the core DLP logic. 4 Handle _violation asterisk. This function determines how the user will be notified. It will send email, pop-up, or log into a file. 5 Show _pop-up notification asterisk. This function sends pop-ups to the user. 6 Send _email notification asterisk. This function sends an email to the user. You'll need to replace the placeholder email addresses and SMTP server details with your actual configuration. 7 Log _violation asterisk. Logs the incident to a log file. For a production system, it's highly recommended to use a database or a dedicated logging system. 8 Configuration asterisk. The example uses a simple dictionary, config, to configure the notification method. A real-world DLP system would likely use a more sophisticated configuration system. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk third-party DLP tools asterisk. Most commercial DLP solutions, example Symantec DLP, McAfee DLP, Microsoft Purview, provide built-in features for creating and customizing user notifications. You can configure notification templates, choose the delivery method, and define the content of the notifications. Refer to the documentation for your specific DLP tool for detailed instructions. Asterisk customization asterisk. Tailor the notifications to your organization's culture and the specific DLP policies. Avoid generic messages that don't provide enough context. Asterisk testing asterisk. Thoroughly test your DLP notifications to ensure they are clear, accurate, and delivered correctly. Get feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Asterisk training asterisk. Provide training to users on data security policies and best practices. This will help them understand the DLP system and avoid accidental violations. Asterisk feedback mechanism asterisk provide a way for users to provide feedback on the DLP system and the notifications they receive. This can help you improve the system and address user concerns. Asterisk legal and privacy considerations asterisk be mindful of legal and privacy regulations when collecting and processing user data. Ensure that your DLP system is compliant with all applicable laws. Consult with your legal team to review your DLP policies and procedures. Asterisk false positives asterisk DLP systems can sometimes generate false positives. Your notification system should provide a means for users to report false positives so you can tune your DLP rules. Asterisk integration asterisk integrate the DLP system with other security tools, such as SIEM, Security Information and Event Management, systems, to provide a comprehensive view of security incidents. Asterisk localization asterisk for global organizations, notifications must be localized into different languages. Asterisk accessibility asterisk notifications must be accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Ensure that notifications are compatible with screen readers and other assistive technologies. V. Best practices. Asterisk be specific asterisk avoid generic notifications. Tell the user exactly what they did wrong and how to fix it. Asterisk be empathetic asterisk acknowledge that mistakes happen and that users may not be intentionally violating policies. Asterisk focus on education asterisk use notifications as a learning opportunity. Explain the importance of data security and the risks involved in data breaches. Asterisk provide a clear path to resolution asterisk make it easy for users to get help and resolve the issue. Asterisk monitor and improve asterisk regularly review your DLP notifications and make adjustments based on user feedback and incident data. Analyze the effectiveness of your notifications and make changes as needed. Asterisk keep it updated asterisk as your policies change, keep the messages updated with those changes. 6. Advanced techniques. Asterisk adaptive notifications asterisk customize the notification based on the user's role, department, or past behavior. For example, a senior executive might receive a different notification than a junior employee. Asterisk interactive notifications asterisk allow users to respond to notifications with questions or requests for help. This can help streamline the incident resolution process. Asterisk gamification asterisk incorporate elements of gamification into the notification system to encourage compliance. For example, users who consistently follow DLP policies could earn points or badges. Asterisk risk scoring asterisk integrate the DLP system with a risk scoring system to prioritize incidents based on the severity of the violation and the risk profile of the user. Asterisk machine learning asterisk use machine learning to analyze user behavior and identify patterns that suggest potential DLP violations. This can help you proactively prevent data leaks. By following these guidelines, you can create a DLP user notification system that is effective, educational, and user-friendly. Remember that user awareness and education are crucial components of a successful DLP program.